Tired of manually downloading files and dreaming of a world where your computer magically organizes them for you? While Zapier can't directly save files to your computer due to security limitations, we can use a clever workaround sensing a cloud storage service first. You'll need a Zapier account and a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive installed on your computer and sensed. Head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This will start the process of creating your automated workflow. Next, choose your trigger app. This is the app that will initiate the file saving process. For example, if you want to save attachments from new emails, select Gmail. Now, define your trigger event. If you're using Gmail, you'd select New Attachment. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen app to Zapier. Now for the magic, choose your action app, which will be your cloud storage service. Pick Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, whichever you have synced to your computer. Select the action event, which will be upload file or something similar. Connect your cloud storage account to Zapier, giving it permission to save files. Now, configure the action. Map the file from your trigger app to the file field in your cloud storage app. Choose the folder within your cloud storage where you want the file saved. Test your Zap. Zapier will send a test file to your cloud storage. Check your cloud storage folder on your computer to confirm the file synced correctly. Finally, if the test is successful, turn on your Zap. Now, every time your trigger event occurs, Zapier will automatically save the file to your cloud storage, which will then sync to your computer, giving you that automated file organization you've been dreaming of.